Trainer. Today we're gonna make Oobleck. So let's go into the video. Items you need to make Oobleck are cornstarch, water, a container and something to mix with. The first step is to add some cornstarch into your container. And one more. So that's the amount of cornstarch I added, and now you have to pour some water into your container. You can add more water if you think it needs more, but generally you need to add more water than the cornstarch. Now, after you added your water, you have to start mixing it. So guys, now I finished my Oobleck. If you need to add more cornstarch or more water, you can add them both accordingly. So this is Oobleck. If you hit it hard, it becomes a solid, and if you take it onto your hand smoothly, it becomes a liquid. So Oobleck is a semi-solid, and if you put more pressure on one area, then it turns to a solid because the cornstarch particles gather together. But if you leave it, it becomes a liquid because the pressure goes down. So now I'll show you how Oobleck changes from solid to liquid. So first, grab it into your hand and then I'm trying to make a ball with it, like this. And now it's a solid. But if you leave it, it becomes a liquid. And then again try to make a ball and it stays solid. And leave it, and then it turns to liquid. So this is Oobleck. If you want to add some food coloring, you can also do that while mixing or after you finished. So now, just mix it, and mix it really slowly so that it stays as a liquid. So here I have it, the food colored Oobleck. Look, it's so colourful, and I added this red food colouring, but it looks orange. So now what I'm thinking to do is to add that into this balloon to make a stress ball. So let's get straight onto it. When you press it hard, it becomes a solid, and when you leave it, it becomes a liquid. So now, but if you keep doing it, it acts like a stress reliever. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video. Thank you.